Hello, scrappers. Tonight I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a doorknob without a key. It's all jammed up too. Looks like it's brand new. Well, anyways, it's getting scrapped. How heavy is that? Half a pound, a little over half a pound. I'm gonna go back to ounces. 10.5 ounces. No screws, no key, no hardware. Free, given to me to scrap. I have tons of doorknobs. I have an apartment building. So I'm straightening these tabs out. See what I'm doing? I'm straightening these tabs out so they can go get pushed back through those little holes. You know, you always got to use tools in ways they are never meant to be used. Or you can just break them right off. Plan B. You stick to the magnet so they're only steel. So I'm going to have to try to pry this inner part out maybe. I have the vise hold this for me. It's got this little thing that's kind of notched in. You know what I'm saying? Tab's kind of bent in. Ooh. Sharp edges here. I'm going to use my hand for a hammer again. There we go. Because we got brass. That's brass. And that's steel. So we want to separate the brass from the steel best we can. Oh, that is brass. If it was aluminum, it wouldn't bend so easy. I mean, if it was aluminum, it would bend easier. So we got a little tiny bit of brass there. Let's see if I can get the, because that's steel, and that's all brass. Call me Edward Hammerhands. That is so funny. Always using my hand as a hammer. There we go. Kind of crimp her off. Got some more steel. See if this will tap out. There goes Edward Hammerhands again. There we go. There's some more brass. This is slippery plastic. Definitely brass. Now for the other side. Steel, steel, steel. Is there a faster way into this? I think so. I only need to separate the brass from the steel. It's always funner smashing it. Look at that, see? That's all steel now. More brass. That tumbler just gonna fall out for me. Nice if it would. That tumbler's gonna be almost all brass. You can probably squish this flat and just throw it in the brass bucket the way it is. Get this whole center core to pop out maybe. But it's just an outer trim ring. That's not all brass. Got a good grip on it. Maybe I do believe I need to grind some grooves in my vise here soon. Yeah, my vise can't hold on to anything. I got smooth jaw vise. Get out good old grindy. Ouch! See? That's why I don't like power tools, and now it's hot. There goes some more brass. Now what's holding this brass tumbler in? Wonder if I can just... Well, this holds the pins in. This comes off, and then the pins will be exposed, I bet. Yeah, there they are. There's the springs. There's the brass pins. Now this should just pretty much where's my magnet? That's a metal ring around that. So I'm going to grind into that metal ring to kind of split it. And that's out. Nice heavy hunk of brass. Nice little heavy hunk of cast aluminum. And we are done. Fully scrapped the lock. So let's see how we did. We got 16 ounces. We got a pound there. So... got a ½ ounce of cast aluminum. And 6 ounces of tin for the tin bucket. Cast aluminum. Even though the screwdriver's on there, we're still getting accurate weights because I zero it out. Now for the brass, now for the good part. I'll start with the small stuff first, dummy. Just gotta do it the dumb way first. Drum roll, please. 4 ounces. Not too bad. A few minutes worth of work, make a little extra change. You never know, you might have to cash some of this in and buy yourself some ramen noodles or something. You might have to trade some scrap for somebody for some food here. Times are getting tough now. So just remember, guys, how much my screwdriver weigh? 6 ounces. Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.